Good morning everyone. Well, I'm just gonna look about some Jamaican breakfast this morning. Green banana, start to peel. I'm gonna make a little dumpling and I'm gonna cook a sweet potato. Well, it's a bit cold and I just feel for some Jamaican breakfast. Cause in Jamaica we know in the whole pack egg and bread and we cook hard food every morning. So welcome back to my channel. Let's get into it. So I've put some flour in, salt, and I'm gonna add some water, and I'm gonna be putting it together. So all those people who don't know about dumpling, we make dumpling from flour and we cook it. So guys, now I'm gonna prepare some canned mackerel in tomato sauce to have with it. So I'm gonna put my olive oil in. When the oil, well, the pot was on the stove before, so it started to get hot. So I'm gonna put in some garlic, I'm gonna add my onion in, a bit of tomato, a bit of spring scallion, we call it scallion in Jamaica, a bit of sweet pepper, looking beautiful. In Jamaica we say it look good, or we say it turn up. So I'm gonna add my canned mackerel now with tomato sauce that I had stored in the fridge because I'd used a bit of it for breakfast already when I was going to work in the week. But it's too much to use one time because Tony don't eat mackerel. So this is my Saturday morning breakfast, and I'm gonna put a little bit of all-purpose seasoning on it just to perk it up a bit. That's a good old Jamaican all-purpose seasoning. Just a dash. Little dash of salt. I have a little bit of hot pepper, which I stored in the fridge in the freezer. So this is nice to eat with a lot of pepper. So I add that little bit of pepper in it. Because of course, I'm the only person gonna be eating this for breakfast. Looks yummy. It's finished cooking now. So I'm gonna open the pot. And I'm gonna share out my breakfast. I like to eat 2 dumplings. So guess what? I'm gonna put another one in the plate, and then I'm gonna go for my banana. Wow, wow. So I'm gonna go in and take out my mackerel. That looks yummy already. Let me show you. See how it looks nice? Look at that. That's my Jamaican breakfast. So it's mackerel with sweet potato, dumpling, and banana. So guys, that's my breakfast. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and share with your friends. Bye for now. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend, everyone.